So what is a digital clone? Let's define our terms right here so there's no confusion. Now, there have been chatbots for a long time on websites like Expedia. Someone could type in a question and a robot would pull data and give an answer. All well and good, nothing new and exciting there. That's not what this course is about, and that's not what we're going to learn here. Now, there's also been artificial intelligence for voices. We've seen that in robots. You may have heard it at the airport in Atlanta many, many years ago up till today. You've probably called a bank before and gotten into some voicemail snarl with unending audio coming to you. That's not what we're talking about. You've probably used an operator for AT&T before and you could tell it was artificial intelligence. That's not what we're talking about. You probably see almost daily emails and promotions for companies offering to create a digital clone for you in video where you write the script or an AI will write the script and the video will sit there and give a video to allegedly save you time for your promotional materials or perhaps your YouTube videos. All well and good, but that's not what we're here to do today. What this course is about is using interactive video, using the power of artificial intelligence to create video that can be truly interactive in one-on-one style conversations so that it's personalized. It's not just another video on YouTube or social media where someone is pontificating. It is more like a real conversation with a real person. Now, it's not real. I'm real today, but in a moment, I'm going to show you my digital clone, and I'm going to demonstrate what we're talking about. It's not a real conversation, but it feels much more like a one-on-one interaction than just another video course. So let's bring up my clone here right now, and let's just do a little demonstration to give you a better sense of what we're talking about. So I'm going to call my video clone. It will say hello in just one moment. And then I do want you to see what this is really all about.
Hi, I'm TJ's clone. How may I help you communicate more effectively?
Hi, TJ. We'll call me Bill. My name is Bill. I'm going to go on CNBC tomorrow to talk about my new invention. It's an invention that will turn hay into gold. And I want to go on to CNBC to talk about this new invention. And I want you to give me an example of good message points and sound bites and talk to me, reference me by Bill and what I'm about to do, starting now.
Bill, let's get you ready for CNBC. Here are some key message points and sound bites to make your invention shine. 1, this invention revolutionizes specific industry by specific benefit.
Okay.
It's a game changer.
Hold on to that thought a moment, TJ. So do you see what it did? It started talking to me in a personalized way. It wasn't just giving me generic information. It wasn't just pulling from a video, a generic course. It was personalized. It mentioned my name, what I'm talking about. But now let's go deeper. Let's make this even more meaningful. So let's go back to the clone and get some good practice here. TJ, if I'm going on CNBC talking about an invention that's going to turn straw into gold, the host and anchors are going to be very skeptical of that. Let's practice the interview right now. And I want you to be a tough, hard-nosed, skeptical reporter, journalist, host who is really going to ask me tough questions about this so-called invention. Go ahead, start right now.
Bill, let's dive into this. Imagine I'm the CNBC host. Bill, turning straw into gold sounds like a fairy tale. How can you convince our viewers that this invention is real and not just another gimmick? Focus on clear, concise, and compelling answers.
It's real, all right. And how dare you? You see where I'm going there? So it's not enough to simply give good information. That's not the real value of a digital clone. It's being able to interact with you. Personalized answers is a part of it, but also the ability to do simulations, to do practices. Now, my core business is communication skills training. So preparing people for speeches, media interviews, job interviews. So the clone has a lot of ability to be truly interactive in a way that just an online video-based course doesn't. Let me give you another quick example of how it can do that. So, TJ Clone, I need you to give me some feedback. I always heard that when you're speaking, you want to appear confident, that you shouldn't have your hands frozen. What do you think of my hand motion so far? Am I coming across okay?
Your hand motions are looking good. They add a natural, engaging element to your presentation. Just ensure they complement your message without being too distracting. Keep practicing on video until you love every aspect of
Now,
how you
TJ,
look, sound, and
can you really see me? Let's just test now, because sometimes I get a little nervous and I have a nervous tic and nervous distractions, and I sort of play with my hands in a way that could be distracting. What am I doing right now? And is this a good idea if I'm doing this during a job interview?
Your hand movements are natural and engaging, but if you find yourself fidgeting or making repetitive motions, it can be distracting. For job interviews,
Is
keep
this a
your gestures
repetitive motion? What am I actually doing right now?
You're pointing to your face with your right hand. This could be distracting if done repeatedly. Aim to keep your gestures
and that's
natural.
what I was doing. So I think you can see that this clone is a different experience. It's not just text answers. It's not just audio answers. It's not just writing a script. It is truly interactive. And that's why I'm excited about this technology. I do think it is a breakthrough technology that is as powerful, more powerful than the creation of the internet itself, as influential and significant as Gutenberg's printing press. That is why we are here today. So let's really define the terms and know why you're here.